Hey guys, this is Monica Bansal from Hitbullseye. Today we are here to analyze NMAT 2022. So let us start. So guys, these are the important dates. As you can see, paper taking window is from October 10 to December 19. And if you want to register for retake of exam, the dates are October 11 to December 16. And in the same window, you can retake the exam. Now coming to date of result declaration, once you are done with your paper, after 48 hours of that, you can see your score. Though the scores will be mentioned, only scores will be mentioned, but percentile will be displayed once the window is over. Now, the last date for scorecard download, that would be March 31, 2023. So guys, these are the important dates that you should take note of. So guys, this is the checklist for students. All aspirants must carry, of course, admit card. You should carry an admit card. Also, you should carry a printout of confirmation email sent by your test center, though that is not asked in 10th October's paper. You should carry original photo ID proof, original signature ID proof. Now guys, this is very important that carrying phone is not allowed. You cannot take your phone in examination center. Also, one should carry mask. Mask is mandatory. So you should carry your mask, signature ID proof, photo ID proof and the admit card. Before taking the paper, these are the formalities. So first of all, log in using the credential provided by the test center. Right? Then accept the non-disclosure agreement. That would take your 2 minutes. Then you will go through the tutorial. How would you proceed in the paper? Also, you have to select your sectional order. Right? So this is the 4-step process that you should go through before taking the exam. Now guys, this is the user interface. I mean, what will you see on the screen? First of all, navigation to the previous question is not allowed. That is very important. You cannot review your question, right? In the top right corner, one can find timer. In this corner, you will find the timer. And below timer, right below the timer, question number of section is displayed. And after attempting a question, select correct answer and click on next at the bottom right corner. So next would be written here in the bottom right corner. Once you click on this button, you are not allowed to go back. That is important feature. That is the important direction that you should take care of. Now coming to the test pattern. First of all, we have language skill. There would be 36 questions and time allotted is 28 minutes. So you should be very fast in that. In logical reasoning, we have 36 questions and 40 minutes are allotted. And in quantitative skills, it should be 36 questions and time allotted is 52 minutes. So in total, we have 108 questions and time given is 120 minutes, I mean 2 hours. Now let us see the sectional analysis of the paper that was held on 10th of October. Yeah, quantitative aptitude, if I talk about this section, that was moderately difficult. There were numerous questions on permutation and combination. A good number of questions were there on DI and data sufficiency. Approximately, I guess, there were 9 to 10 questions on DI and 4 to 5 questions on data sufficiency. Also, reading comprehension was easy to moderate, though they were lengthier. The length was really good as compared to the previous papers. So, if I talk about quantitative skills section, so you can see there were almost 14 questions that were based on DIDS and there were 22 questions. 22 questions that was on quantitative aptitude and the section was moderate to difficult. Now let us come to language skill. So we can segregate language skill in 2 sections. One is verbal ability and grammar, another one is RC. In RC, there were 2 paragraphs of 4 questions each and 28 questions in this section and the level was moderate. Now, if I come to logical reasoning skills, that section was very easy to moderate, we can say. There were, I guess, 2 or 3 sets. They were of moderate level and rest of the sets were very easy. So, AR, that was 15 questions and verbal reasoning was 21 questions. Now let us come to language skill section. Major areas that were covered in this paper were fill in the blanks, analogies, parajumbles, spot the error. In logical reasoning, major areas were Venn diagram, decision making, verbal reasoning, input and output. Then we had tables, statement, conclusion, argument, and syllogism, etc. So these were the major areas. Now coming to quantitative aptitude skills. So the major areas were PNC and permutation. That was a very hit area. There were numerous questions based on this particular topic. There were many questions on DI and data sufficiency. Also the major part of the paper of this section, quantitative skills, that was based on profit and loss, ratio and proportion, algebra. So guys, according to us, this is the best attempt to get a good college. So for language skills, your score should be 76 plus. For quantitative skills, 75 plus. Logical reasoning skills, it should be 72 plus. And if you get 223 plus score, you will get a good college. And this is possible because there is no negative marking in the paper. So guys, that's it from us. This is Monica Bansal from Hitbullseye. Thank you so much. Happy learning. And best of luck for your paper.